Hi, I'm Trisha at Club Scrap, and every year about this time we release a special collection for the holidays. This year's kit is called Blue Christmas. Let's take a look. Well, obviously you can see why we named this Blue Christmas. We have two gorgeous ornament prints, and then we have a lovely snowy sky print. And the rest of the palette contains two metallic silver, two super smooth white, a gorgeous light blue linen texture, three dark blue, and three medium blue papers. To assist you in finishing your pages quickly and easily during this busy time of year, we're also including two carefully mapped out sheets of printed Cutaparts. And these will contain those anchoring border strips, images from the collections, and journaling prompts, plus your page titles. We love embellishing our pages with ribbon, and this time we have 2 yards of this medium blue sheer ribbon, and check out this double-faced satin with metallic silver edge. You get a yard of that, and then this grosgrain dark blue with a metallic silver center. Isn't that one pretty? And if you're not a fan of how your bows generally turn out, we've got you covered with 4 blue silk bows. And your pages will really pop with this stunning Merry Christmas woodcut and then 2 smaller woodcut ornaments. And you'll really put the icing on the cake with these blue crystal gems. Now I know this kit looks like a lot of fun, but it's even more fun with the way we do things here at Club Scrap, because we provide you with a set of very detailed instructions plus a video workshop where you can follow along. We'll transform everything that came in the box with no waste into 8 12x12 scrapbook pages if you just follow along with me step by step. So let's take a look at those pages. The first 2 feature that woodcut, and I did something fun with this with some silver embossing powder. I can talk more about that in the workshop. Pages 3 and 4 have plenty of room for all of your pictures, plus we've incorporated those crystals and that beautiful metallic silver edged ribbon and the 2 woodcut ornaments. That ornament print really shines on pages 5 and 6, plus I was able to top that tag with a cute little pre-made bow. So easy. Pages 7 and 8 feature some ornaments from the cut-apart sheet. We added those crystal gems and topped it with one of those pre-made bows. Now all that's left to do is pick up your Blue Christmas kit, make those pages along with me at the workshop, and then add your wonderful holiday memories. I look forward to seeing you in class.